Regular walking can lead to weight loss and reduced risks of heart disease and obesity. Walking 3 times per week for 12 weeks can help you burn fat and reduce your waist circumference. People interested in weight loss should walk at least 10,000 steps each day and work to achieve a reasonable step goal. If you want to increase the number of steps you take each day, try adding intensity with faster walks or increased inclines a few days a week. Physical activity helps you burn calories, so you could add 30 minutes of brisk walking to your daily routine and lose weight by doing so. Exercise is essential for health, but balance is necessary. If you're new to regular exercise, start slowly, then gradually increase the length and intensity of your walks. Walking can help lose weight because walking increases the level of physical activity. It also improves the emotional and mental well-being of the person who walks. Brisk walking for an extended period is a moderate form of aerobic activity that can aid weight loss. Brisk walking can be characterized by fast breathing, and a 3-mile-per-hour pace is recommended. Aerobic exercise reduces your blood sugar and increases your fat burning. Brisk walking at a pace that raises your heart rate is the most beneficial type of walking for weight loss. People usually don't have enough time to walk, but you can fit 10 minutes of walking into your daily routine. Change your usual walking route, get a walking buddy and join a local walking group. You can also go on long walks and catch up with friends and family instead of having a sit-down coffee. Brisk walking is excellent for your health and weight loss, but make sure you combine it with aerobic exercise.